Engineered Coated Products, ECP, a division of Intertape Polymer Group, is widely recognized for its development and manufacture of specialized house wrap and window flashing products. As a reputable leader in the industry, we continuously strive to educate our customers as well as demonstrate the best techniques and latest innovative solutions for the ever-changing building and construction industry. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation process of IPG NovaWrap Aspire brand premium building wrap and IPG NovaFlash brand universal self-adhered flashing. Before starting your job, make sure to have the following tools and materials present. To begin, unroll your IPG NovaWrap Aspire brand house wrap at the bottom of the wall. Staple the edges down. Continue this process by working your way up the wall. Be sure to overlap every layer. This creates a shingling effect, ensuring a weather-tight structure. After IPG NovaWrap brand house wrap has been installed, use your IPG sheathing tape to secure and seal the seams of the shingled NovaWrap house wrap. Next, find your window underneath the house wrap. Make your first cut horizontally along the top of the window. Once this is complete, make two 45-degree cuts on each side of the header on top of the opening and fold the newly created flap upward. Tape the flap to hold it in place temporarily. Your second cut should be diagonal, starting at the center of the window opening and going down to the bottom left edge of the window. Repeat this process on the right side. It should now resemble a triangle. Your fourth cut should start at the top center of the window. Cut vertically down until you meet the top of the triangle. Continue by folding in the side and bottom flaps. Do this by wrapping them inside the window opening and stapling to the interior studs. NovaWrap brand, 100% non-woven polypropylene fabric with breathable coating. Code compliant, ICC ES ESR 2253. CCMC 13292R, CCMC 13329R. Exceeds standards in strength, water intrusion, and moisture vapor transmission. 100% recyclable. Installs over and protects plywood, OBS, gypsum composite, rigid foam, and other sheathing materials. Installs under brick, stone, stucco, EIFS, cement board, wood, vinyl, metal, and composites. The first step in installing IPG NovaFlash SA Ultra is to make a sill pan at the bottom of the window opening. Generally, you want to cut the flashing at the length of the window opening plus 2 times the width of the tape. In this case, our window opening is 36 inches in width and our flashing is 6 inches in width. Our flashing would then be cut at 48 inches. Peel off 1/2 of the pre-cut backing. Center the tape below the seal and make sure to leave 2 inches above the top of the seal. Press down on the flashing while peeling the second half of the backing. Neatly pull the flashing over the opening to create a tight seal. Cut the tape in each corner, creating a flap. Fold the flap onto the seal. Then cut another strip of tape 48 inches long and center on the seal overlapping your first piece. Make sure that 2 inches extends out from the exterior wall and 6 inches goes up each side of the window jambs. Next, make your cuts and fold over. Use your roller to ensure the tape achieves maximum bond and keeps the seal watertight. Installing the window should follow the manufacturer's instructions. In this case, we place a bead of sealant on top of the opening and on the sides. Next, with the help of another person, plumb, level, and screw the window in place. Once the window is set, place a strip of flashing on each jamb. Remember the window length plus 2 times the width of the tape. Our window height is 37.5 inches and our tape is 6 inches. Our cuts will need to be made at 49.5 inches. Apply the vertical jamb strips one at a time. Make sure to overlap the window fringe by 1 inch. The strips will exceed the window 6 inches on the top and bottom and should completely overlap the horizontal strips already attached. To complete the window header, the cutting rule will be a bit different. Measure and cut your flashing at 36 inches, the width of the window plus 2 times the length of the tape plus an extra inch on each side. The tape will be cut at 50 inches. Apply the tape overlapping the window fringe and extending an extra inch on both sides beyond the jam tape. Remove your temporary piece of tape holding up the NovaWrap Aspire flap. Lastly, use 2 small strips of your NovaFlash SA to seal the remaining cuts in the NovaWrap Aspire house wrap. NovaFlash brand. Green solution, no VOCs, HFCCs, or CFCs. No off-gassing, non-toxic, and non-allergenic. Extreme weather applicable to -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Will not react with plasticizers. Can be applied to damp surfaces. Peel and stick, easy installation. 12-month exposure. Sticks to plywood, OSB sheathing, vinyl, metal, aluminum, masonry. Intertape Polymer Group is committed to designing, developing, and manufacturing world-class product solutions to create efficiencies, cost containment, and performance advantages. Count on IPG.